Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my second project from the CS50 Web Development course. This one is called Wiki. Let's jump right in. In this project, I created a Wikipedia-like online encyclopedia. It features pages for viewing, searching, creating, editing, and randomly selecting encyclopedia entries. Let me walk you through each feature. So first up, I'll run the server. So Python manage.py run server. So this is it. So first up we have the entry pages by visiting wiki/title. So when we visit wiki/title, where title is the entry's name, you can see the full content of the entry, and if the entry doesn't exist, an error page is displayed. So let's try. I have an entry that is JavaScript. So I'll type JavaScript, enter. So I'll get the content of this page. But if I type something else, I'll type solidity, enter. So it displays an error message that this entry doesn't exist. And then we'll jump back to the index page, that is home page. So the index page lists all encyclopedia entries. Each entry name is clickable link that takes you directly to that entries page, making navigation easy and intuitive. So if I want to see the Django's content, this is how you go. Python, caffeine diaries. So now let's jump into the search functionality. So the search box in the sidebar allows you to find entries. If you type a query that matches an entry, you'll be redirected to that entry page. So if I'll write HTML, enter, it redirects me to the HTML page content. And if there's no match, you see a list of entries that contain the query as a substring. So let me try to enter G, enter. Entries that contains the substring G. So Django has G, that is last second word, and Git has the first word, G. So now let's jump into the create new page thing. So I'll go to create new page, and here you can write the title and the content for a new entry. If an entry with the same title exists, an error message will be shown, otherwise the entry will be saved and displayed. So first let's try the error thing. So I'll type HTML, which already exists. HTML. I have to write the Markdown context, so I'll do this. HTML, and HTML refers to hypertext markup language. So I'll go and save entry. So it will show me an error that entry with this title already exists in the encyclopedia. So what I have to do is I have to do another one. So let's try it. Solidity, and in Markdown content, first write solidity. Now let's find the information. I'll go at Google, solidity, enter. Let me copy paste this one. Where I want smart contract to be bold, so I'll use double asterisk here, and in the end, so we save entry. Directly takes me to the page of the entry I created. Let's dive into editing the existing page functionality of this website. So each entry page has an edit link. Clicking it takes you to a form pre-filled with the entry's current content. You can modify the content and save it, and the updated entry will be displayed. So what I want to edit is like I want the Ethereum to be italic, so I'll use one asterisk in the start and one at the end. I'll save entry, so you can see it is modified, it is italic. The Ethereum written here is now turned into italic thing. So now let's go back to home, and I'll show you the random page functionality. This link in the sidebar takes you to the randomly selected encyclopedia entry, adding a bit of fun and discovery to the user experience. So let's click on it. It took me to CSS, it took me to Solidity, it took me back to Solidity, now it took me to the Caffeine Diaries. Now as you saw in the editing page, all the content of website is written in Markdown, but when you are viewing an entry, the Markdown is converted to HTML for displaying and ensuring the content is well formatted and easy to read. So you can also go and check it, edit. The content written in it is Markdown. You can see the hash here, double hash here, and the two asterisks here for the bold one. I can also do like CS50W bold, so I'll add it also here. And when I save entry, it gets renders from Markdown to HTML while viewing. This is it. That wraps my project 1 wiki. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of my CS50 web development project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project showcase video.